Fourth axis, first experience. Check the machine status. If the machine is not idle, press the reset button, then the unlock button. Then click the 4-axis mode button. Set the RPM bar to 5200 RPM and press the start button. Observe that the live tool rotates clockwise in the M3 direction. Click the stop button to stop the live tool. Click the direction button located at the upper left corner of the RPM bar. Set the speed to 5200 RPM and observe the live tool rotating counterclockwise in the M4 direction. Press and hold the plus button to increase the live tool speed up to 12,000 RPM. Then press the minus button to decrease the speed back to 0 RPM. Click the stop button to stop the live tool. Set the live tool rotation direction back to clockwise. Click or drag the RPM bar and observe the spindle speed change accordingly. Click the stop button to stop the live tool. Set the step size to 100 degrees and move the C-axis using the right side C-axis buttons. Observe the chuck rotating clockwise in the positive direction and counterclockwise in the negative direction. Set the feed rate to 1 degree per minute and send a C-axis movement in the negative direction. Observe that the chuck rotates 100 degrees at a slower speed. Press the home button and wait for the machine to complete the homing process. To set the step size, click on the step size value and enter 150 millimeters using the numeric keypad. Set the feed rate to 1000 millimeters per minute. Move the Z-axis once in the negative direction. Set the step size to 50 millimeters and move the X-axis once in the negative direction. Use the axis zeroing buttons to zero the X, C, and Z axes. Set the step size to 20 millimeters and click the upper right diagonal movement button once. Set the step size to 120 degrees and send a C-axis movement in the positive direction. Return to zero functions work as in lathe mode. In 4-axis mode, an additional button moves all 3 axes simultaneously to 0. Set the step size to 20 millimeters and the feed rate to 200 millimeters per minute. Set the live tool speed to 5200 RPM. Press the X negative button once, and before the movement is completed, press the feed hold button. In this case, observe that both the axis movements and the live tool stop, and that the machine enters the hold state. Click the cycle start button and observe that the live tool starts rotating first, followed by the continuation of the axis movement. Set the step size to 10 millimeters and the feed rate to 150 millimeters per minute. Press the X negative button, and before the movement is completed, open and close the machine door. In this case, observe that both the axis movements and the live tool stop, and that the machine enters the door state. Press the cycle start button, and observe that the machine continues its movement. Press the stop button to stop the live tool. Thank you for watching.